The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, I have two videos that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, and these two videos shows of an incident that had happened where the Mandeville courthouse had caught on fire. And that's the Mandeville courthouse that is in the parish of Manchester, that is in the country of Jamaica. Now, this incident had happened on the 7th of November 2019. Now, according to reports that is out there, and I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand these reports, is that persons were passing by when they saw smoke coming from the building and they gave out an alarm, and the police along with firefighters were notified about the building being on fire. Now, it has been reported that firefighters were able to control the blaze. However, viewers and subscribers, I have no information as to how the fire had started. But I will try my best to keep you up to date about this incident, alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I have two videos to show you, my viewers and subscribers, and one video is going to show off the building at the time it was on fire, and the other video is going to show off the building after the fire had been controlled by firefighters, alright? Now, I am going to show you these videos so that you can have a look at it and you can have a better understanding. But before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Mandeville courthouse they on fire. Fucking going in the morning. What time now? 5 o'clock? 4:30. Yeah, they might control it now.
And is there a value and the thing and this road? No, no. The white bottom shoes, white clean up, white clean up.